So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to convert SLP into USDT. So first of all you will have to come on Binance.com and log into your account, and after that choose wallet and go for fiat and spot. So guys, after coming on this window you will look for the search option and type SLP. Now choose this convert option. So now guys, you will see this option on this window. Click on it and search USDT, and now click on it, and now put the amount you want to convert from SLP to USDT. So let's say I want to convert 480, and now you will have to click on preview conversion, and it will show you the amount SLP hold into USDT. So if you have the sufficient funds, then you can click on this option and it will convert your SLP into USDT. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.